In this lesson, we will study the connector il te or te. Te is used with noun and il te is used with verb. And it means at the time of something, when doing something. For example, 방학 때 여행을 가려고 해요. 방학 때 means at the time of vacation, during vacation. So 방학 때 여행을 가려고 해요. I am planning to go for a trip during vacation. 고등학교 때 친구가 많았어요. So at the time of high school, when I was in high school, I had a lot of friends. Now let's see how we use it with verbs. 친구를 만날 때 아주 행복해요. So the verb here is 만나다 and we have added 일 때, 만날 때. 친구를 만날 때 아주 행복해요. I am very happy when I meet my friend. 친구를 만날 때. 시간이 있을 때 전화해. 시간이 있을 때 means when you have time. When you are free. 전화해. Call me when you have time. 중국에 갔을 때. Notice that it's a past tense conjugation with 가다. 갔을 때. So it's a thing about past. When I went to China. 중국에 갔을 때 이 옷을 샀어요. I bought this dress when I went to China.